Hi guys. So today we will discuss about cell biology. We will discuss about introduction to cell biology, historical background, cell theory and types of cells. And in the last we will conclude the whole uh, lecture, that is our summary. So, firstly, we will discuss about the introduction to cell biology. So, what is cell biology? Cell biology is the branch of biology that studies cells, their structure, functions, and life processes. A cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. All living organisms are made of one or many cells. The term cell was first given by Robert Hooke in 1665 after observing Koch cells. Cell biology explains how cells grow, differentiate, communicate, divide, and maintain homeostasis. That means balance. Next, we will discuss about historical background. So, Robert Hooke in 1665 observed thin slices of cork under a compound microscope and coined the term cell because the box-like structures looked like small rooms. Later, Anton von Leeuwenhoek in 1674 improved the microscope lenses and observed living cells like bacteria and red blood cells. He called them animal cells. Sheldon and Schwann in 1838 to 39 proposed the cell theory. Rudolf Virchow in 1855 added all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Now let's discuss about cell theory, the most important topic from cell biology. So it was formulated by Sheldon and Schwann in from 1838 to 1839. The main points of cell theory are: all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Later, Rudolf Virchow in 1855 added the third important principle, that is omnis cellula is cellular, meaning all cells arise from pre-existing cells. This completed the cell theory. Now let's discuss about types of cells. So when we are talking about types of cell in cell biology, we will look at that cells can be classified based on two different ways. So firstly, it is based on number of cells. If if there is only one cell in an organism, then the organism is called unicellular organism. Examples of it are amoeba, paramecium, or bacteria. If the organisms is made of many cells, we call it multicellular organisms. And example of it are plants, animals, and humans. Next is based on internal cell structure and organization. So cells can be classified based on their internal structure and organization, and on the basis of it, it is of two types, that is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So prokaryotic cells do not have true nucleus and no membrane bound organelles. Example of it are bacteria and cyanobacteria. Eukaryotic cells have true nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Example of it is plant and animal cells, fungi, protists, etc. Now let us conclude the whole lecture. So cell is the fundamental unit of life. All life activities occur within the cell. Study of cell helps in understanding health, diseases, heredity, and biotechnology. I hope you liked the video. In case you have any doubts or feedback, please feel free to share it on comment box, and keep watching. Bye bye.